The ultimate gingerbread house, a sweet family tradition. Oh, the most wonderful time of the year, the holiday season. The season of cozy warmth, twinkly lights, and of course, baking. Or, let's be real, isn't every season a season for baking? This year, I'm sharing something super special. Our family's gingerbread house recipe and the ultimate guide to building and decorating your own sweet masterpiece. Ready to make this holiday season even sweeter? Let's dive in. First, the dough. Combine the wet and dry ingredients together, mixing with a spatula until you have a thick, slightly sticky dough. This dough is perfect for rolling and shaping. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and pop it into the fridge. I always chill mine overnight for the best results. Patience is the key. Baking the pieces. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and line a few large baking sheets with a parchment paper or silicone mats. Once your dough is chilled, roll out a big chunk. Keep the rest in the fridge for now, until it's about 1/4 inch thick. The first few rolls might be tricky since our dough is so stiff, but trust me, it gets easier as you re-roll the scarps. Cut your dough into your gingerbread house shapes and space them 1 inch apart on your prepared baking sheets. I've even made gingerbread house templates for you, as you can skip the guesswork. Find them at greekandsimple.com. While the cookies are baking and cooling, it's time to whip up some Royal Icing. The Royal Icing. The Royal Icing is super easy to make. Just mix 3 egg whites, powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat the egg whites at medium-low speed until frothy, about 1 minute. Then gradually add the powdered sugar, 1 spoonful at a time. Once fully incorporated, turn up the speed to medium-high and beat until the icing forms stiff, shiny peaks. Transfer it to a piping bag, and now the fun part begins: decorating! You can go wild with decorations. There is no right or wrong way to make your gingerbread house shine. Once the icing is dry, you can start assembling the house. Assembling the house. I like to use a sturdy base for my gingerbread house, but you can always use a large plate. Start by applying some royal icing to the base and placing your house pieces in place. To keep it steady while it sets, I use a helping cup to prop it up. Once the walls are standing, it's time to add the roof. This part can be tricky. Hold in place until it dries enough to stand on its own. Patience again is key. Finally, add your finishing touches and more decorations, sprinkles, sugar, whatever makes your gingerbread house sparkle. And there you have it, a festive gingerbread house that's ready to steal the show at your holiday celebrations. Wishing you a year filled with joy, good health, and lots of sweet moments.